where we are having all this kind of what you have seen around. Mbarara city is a city that is growing at a high speed with so many institutions, as you know. And as the MC have said, I will not talk much. I have only two issues to talk about, which one is about the airport of this city. A city without an airport is a city that is just covered. Cannot grow, cannot do anything, cannot plan, cannot even develop in terms of economic prosperity. It can't. For that matter, I still beg government that at least they work on Nyachara for this kind of business. Two, Right Honorable Deputy Speaker, you have toured around, and what we have seen, and even these ones who are from high school, I want to thank you, by the way, for not eating fees. You have not eaten your parents' fees. Clap for yourselves. You are showing cause. And I know tomorrow you are the leaders of this nation. You will be presidents, you will be speakers, you will be MPs, ministers, mayors. For us, we are retiring even to go. But you are there. What I want to tell you, Right Honorable Deputy Speaker, is there is something that we shared, and I still want to emphasize on it. If we are given, if the government can work, because we must look at the future. Where do you think all these children will go? Where do you think all those skills will be after here when they graduate? We need to have an area where they should go and add more on their skills. Ekintu kumanyisa niyenda tujire industrial park nkeinaare Mbarara kandi tukasharinga Deputy Speaker twachigamba twagira ngu this time it should not be a city industrial park, let it be a regional, because I have seen even students from Kabale University, the mountain of the moon, all these people will come and do something from here. Na nabandi abatashomere munonga nabone bishakuzo mu industrial package on bagire kibakoreramo. Ugo no murumo gwanje niwe kandi we kitinisa president akijana akimugambira kandi yakisima hati mbwenu konkitwe no manyaturu bagufuturu barokozi tuturukwikayo ahereze kurgana agumani murebo mu distance konkiwe ni nkwika at least because of the relationship between me and you. Mbwenu tutware tugende itwenka leaders ba ankore tumushabe deba hari yaruho mwanya naka hari yakagete baterezeho umwanya gurukwingana ya mayiro ibiri yabemwe ko kubapereza abandi tuteho industrial park more niwe ninkumanya ngo ine yakakwateka hamwe neza kuyamba baba Rwampara neza kuyamba abareba baba nico twawira mantu banye ngutwasiga hwecho echo nakibajeka niyo naheza taro kinde kinkwenda. Otherwise I wish you well and I thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, the mayor of this great city. And our chief guest, since we came here, we have not had any incident. That means the mayor takes charge. Can I take this opportunity to ask the executive director to officially welcome you to these grounds? Professor.
Our chief guest, the Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, Deputy Speaker of Parliament, the Vice Chairperson, Parliamentary Committee on Education and Sports,